Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and let you know about Amazon, KDP, and getting paid. Since a lot of you have been asking about whether or not you actually get paid via check. Well, guys, you know what they say, the proof is in the pudding. This is a payment check from Amazon, as you can see. So, although as indicated by KDP, the checks take longer to arrive, they do actually come. But just bear in mind that you may be required to pay a processing fee when depositing your check at your financial institution. Now, the check payment that you would receive also provides you with a breakdown of your sales and the earnings received during that period. So that way you're better able to account for your various sales and payments received from KDP. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.